One, two, three, funk it.
Good morning, y'all. Happy Monday. It's a new week, and I just woke up not too long ago. About to get back to work, but I got a full kitchen, y'all. A full kitchen that I'm working with today. I have to straighten all of this up. Not even straighten, really just organize. I really have to organize all of this stuff on the counter that I'm about to show you and put it away so I can start cleaning and so we can start getting this stuff cleared out, like our living room, kitchen, all of that stuff. But first, y'all know I gotta make me some coffee. I'm trying to think, should I show y'all what making me coffee this time, because it is messy in here. So this is everything that we have unpacked, like stuff in the countertops, all of this stuff. Like I started the label stuff, y'all seen that, and then like all of this stuff here, my coffee Keurig, gotta unpack that. All of this, like I have to start organizing. I'm gonna use the lazy Susans to organize today. I decided not to make coffee because I do not have any creamer. So coffee's just gonna have to hold off until tomorrow. I need to run to TJ Maxx because I need some pots and pans. So some quick ones because I want to get a whole set. So I just need something that is black or silver. No, black and silver, because I still want to stick with the black aesthetic throughout the house. So I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and see if I can find like a black pan and a black skillet or something like that. Maybe 2 or 3 just until I can get a full set, because I need to eat. Like I can't be eating out. Y'all know how this fitness stuff go. So I need to eat. So, and I need to eat breakfast and all that other stuff, meal prep, and I need pots and pans to do that because I got rid of all of mine. I did not want to bring them over here just because they were old and it was time for them to go. In the meantime, I'm just gonna clean up this mess, start straightening it up until I can go to TJ Maxx and get what I need to get so I can eat. Lazy Susan for my seasonings. I'm trying to figure out what I want to put in this. I think I'm gonna do sauces in this just because I have more like hot sauce, sriracha, all of that stuff I can put in here. I got jerk sauce, I can put that in here. I thought about like my sprinkles and like my cocoa powder and my green tea powder, but I don't have much in those like categories to fill this. So I think I'm gonna just do my sauces for this one. Okay, y'all, so I use this Lazy Susan, the one that separates everything. I use this for like stuff that I cook with kind of, but I can still access pretty much anytime that I need to without like having to search this. So this is the salt and pepper. This still has more space. Like I'll be wanting to fill the space. So this is the salt and pepper. These are the powders, cocoa powder, green tea powder. And then these are my sprinkles, like if I use them for hot chocolate. Low key, I'm gonna put my hot chocolate powder in here too, because I do have hot chocolate powder. And then I have my cooking oils here. So maybe I need to turn it around so it could face outward. But I have my cooking oils here, the spray, olive oil, and then the what is this, vegetable oil, I think. So yeah, and then I have these ones, which are the sauces, and I put the peanut butter in there. I'm trying to find my peanut butter, like not almond butter, this almond. I'm trying to find peanut butter so I can figure out, or I can probably put that here. And then these are the seasonings. I want to get another Lazy Susan. When I go back to Home Goods, I'm gonna get maybe like 1 or 2 more Lazy Susans, and I'll figure out what to put in those. But yeah, so that is it. Let me turn them around. Everything that's inward, I need to turn outward so I can see what it is. And then I tried to put all the big ones in the middle just so I can just like pull it out, but in the small ones in the outside, which will be easier for me to look and see what is what. I also need to get a step stool because I just tried to put the sauces one in there, and I know the cooking ones ain't gonna fit in there because this is short. So I'm gonna have to put them all the way at the top, and I'm gonna need a step stool because I can't get up there. That is high, and my husband's not here right now, so I'm just gonna have to set that to the side until I can get me a step stool to put the ones that the taller ones, I need to put those up there. I really wanted them all to be together though, like seamlessly, but it's not gonna work. I have a bunch of hand sanitizers and like disinfectants. So I have my bin here that I also have in my bathroom too. I bought a stack of these. And so I'm going to put all of my hand sanitizer and disinfectants in here. And then I'm trying to figure out what I want to use this for. Maybe like the dish stuff, like dish detergent, the dish pods, and then I can also put like the stuff you clean the countertop with on the stove. So that's what I might put in there. I definitely need some more though. Like I want some other ones. I'm gonna show y'all which ones that I want, but those are for the refrigerator. I could use them now because we haven't went grocery shopping yet, so I could use them, but I don't know if I want to because we're supposed to go grocery shopping later. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna use these for the disinfectants and hand sanitizers. So I originally bought one of these glass jars for my protein powder, but I have another one that I can use. I have two protein powders, vanilla and chocolate. So I want the same jar for those. So I have to find the jar that is the one, like the one that I have. I'll show you that one. But instead, I'm just gonna use my dish detergent pods. Is that what you call it? Dish detergent pods or dish pods, whatever. I'm gonna use that or this for that. So I'm gonna put these in here and then put them under the sink. I found some more storage. I forgot about these. I got these from Home Goods, and I forgot what I said I was gonna use them for. So I think I'm gonna use this maybe for, it's still gonna be used in the kitchen, probably for the rest of the cleaning, disinfecting stuff, because we have stuff like this, which is like for the garbage can, for odors and stuff. So, and then we got like miscellaneous stuff, bug spray. So I think all of that is about to go in one of these bins because it's just gonna be everywhere if not. So I'm glad that I found these. Don't mind the Felicia braids, y'all know how it go over here. But I wanted to show you the closet, or my closet, because remember in the empty house tour I told you that my husband was gonna have his own closet, which is the guest room, and that I'm gonna have my own closet because he don't like sharing closet with me. And this closet is big enough for just me, I think, for just one person. So I wanted to show you the closet. I'm getting it together right now and I'm gonna organize it. I'm gonna show you what I did to organize it. And yeah, I have to figure out if I want to keep my shoes in boxes or not, because low-key look a little tacky, but I'm about to show you what it looks like now. So this is a closet now. It was way crazier than this, but this is what it is now. I have to get these Amazon packages opened and out the way. This is my skincare and body box, so I have to organize that. I have organizers for this. My shoes are in here, the ones that don't have boxes, and then the shoes that are in boxes are over there as well as over here. So I'm gonna have to, I might color coordinate the boxes and the brands, but we'll see how that goes, if I want to keep them in boxes or not. I probably will, of course, because that's the way you preserve your shoes. And then I have my clothes so far, and then the rest are on the bed. I don't want to show you the room just yet because I want it to be like a reveal, but this is what I have so far. The towels for now will be here until I want to get like a cute basket for the towels because there's not a lot of storage space for towels. So I want to keep those there for now, and then when I get a basket, I'm going to organize it all perfectly cute and put those towels in there. Remember, these are the black and gray. We're going to stick with black and gray and white. I have to get the white towels out of the bag. They're somewhere. And then, yeah, and then I think I'm gonna have like my summer jeans and stuff up here because I think it looks so weird having summer jeans or summer shorts hanging. So I'm just gonna fold them neatly and just set them up here. And I don't have a lot of summer shorts anyway. And yeah, that's it. So I am going to show you what it looks like when I am finished. I am done with the closet, almost, but this is pretty much what I have done. Let me show you. So I like to have my stuff kind of organized in the sense that I like to have long sleeves where they need to be, short sleeves where they need to be, because if I don't, then it'll look so weird to me. Like, it'll look weird with short sleeve and long sleeve combined in one, even if it is color coordinated. I did color coordinate, but I coordinated it based off of like the category. So over here, this is like my pajamas, my sleeveless pajamas is right here, and it's all color coordinated. And then my short sleeve shirts, my long sleeve shirts, it's crazy. My long sleeve shirts are color coordinated. And then I have sweaters. Oops, something just fell. And is it sweaters and hoodies? No, these are just sweaters. So my sweaters are all color coordinated. These are my hoodies. And then the hoodies are all color coordinated. Starting from this one is the lightest one, you know, going into the darker ones. So everything is coordinated by the category. And then I have my pants over here, which is color coordinated too, starting from these little linen pants, gray, blue, and then going on to black. Over here is where my summer stuff is. I just know where everything is at by the category. That makes sense for me in my head when I'm thinking about what I'm going to wear, rather than, okay, what color am I going to wear today, and trying to go with the color. I like how color coordination closets look, but it also looks a little bit sloppy because you got the short sleeves and the long sleeves and the sweaters all bunched in one. And then I still haven't did the shoe rack yet. I still have to have some shoes that I have to unpack. My Tim box tore, and I need some boxes for these because these is fresh. And then once I unpack all of my purses and bags, it's gonna go here. This closet, it really doesn't need to be a lot done with this closet at all. Okay, that's the closet. Now, let me finally show you the room. Here's the room. This is the bed, of course, and this is that duvet comforter that I was telling you about. So this is the material of the duvet, and it is super plush. Get out of the light a little bit. It's super plush. Super plush. And it sleeps so well. And then if you look, I put that white comforter, I put it inside of the duvet, which is why it's super plush. Put my throw blanket there, and then my tablet holder, which is this, but is used for the remotes right now. And then let me give you a little pan. We're gonna get some shears for our windows. We like it like this, but I think the shears will really bring out this room, some white shears. So we're gonna put some shears on our window and our TV. Remember in the last vlog I told y'all the guy was here mounting the TV? This is our TV, yes. We're gonna put some type of stand right here just because we don't have any type of nightstand or anything in here, and you know, it'd be good to just set something right here. So we're gonna put some type of stand here. I did have like a lounge chair there, but it was way too big, so I was like, nope. I have to hide these strings from the TV. I don't know where they come from, but I need to hide them because why are they there? I wanted him to hide all of the cords, but when I scheduled with him, I didn't mention that. So when he came, he didn't have everything that he needed to hide the cord. So I was just like, whatever, just put this on there. We're gonna put some art on this wall or here above the bed or here, or maybe here and here. And then we also want to get a new lamp because what's that for? All right, honey, you already know how this go. I'm about to end the vlog right here, but make sure you give this video a thumbs up because I did a lot trying to organize this house. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can catch that ring every time I upload a new video. Y'all already know how to end and go. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.